When it comes to AI-driven content writing tools, the debate between Jasper and AI Content Generator often sparks curiosity. Which one offers the most advanced features for content creators? Let's dive in and find out. Starting with Jasper, this platform has a strong reputation in the content creation world. It's built to help generate high-quality, SEO-optimized content in a matter of seconds. The real strength of Jasper lies in its versatility. It can produce anything from blog posts to social media captions and even email campaigns. It's intuitive, easy to navigate, and highly customizable. Jasper offers templates and workflows designed for specific writing needs, which can make it incredibly efficient for marketers and content creators. But, and here's the catch, the quality of its output can sometimes be hit or miss. While it produces solid content, it often requires a bit of human tweaking to make the writing truly shine. Next thing we need to talk about is the AI Content Generator. This platform is also gaining traction among content creators. Unlike Jasper, which is highly focused on versatility, AI Content Generator prides itself on using deep learning models to generate contextually relevant, high-quality writing based on simple prompts. It shines when it comes to generating long-form content with fewer edits needed. The tool is designed to understand context better than many other AI writing assistants, which means the generated content tends to be more fluid and engaging. However, the downside is that it's not as feature-packed as Jasper. It's less focused on providing pre-built templates and tools, so for some users, this might be a drawback. Additionally, AI Content Generator lacks some of the more advanced marketing-oriented features that Jasper provides, like its SEO optimization tools. The fourth thing to consider is the pricing structure. Jasper is known for being on the pricier side, especially for those who need access to its advanced features. For some users, this could be a deal breaker, especially when comparing it to AI Content Generator, which offers a more affordable pricing tier. But here's where it gets tricky. While AI Content Generator is cheaper, the trade-off is that it's not as packed with features, and you may find yourself needing additional tools to handle tasks that Jasper would take care of. Moving on to user experience, both platforms are fairly easy to use, but Jasper edges out slightly. Its user interface is sleek, modern, and more intuitive for new users. The learning curve is minimal. With AI Content Generator, however, there's a bit of a steep learning curve, especially for those new to AI-driven tools. But once you get the hang of it, the content it generates can be extremely high quality. Now, let's talk about AI Content Generator's ability to understand tone and style. This is where it truly stands out. It can adapt its writing to match the tone you're aiming for, whether it's formal, casual, or persuasive. Jasper does have some customization options, but it doesn't always nail the tone as well as AI Content Generator does. The content might come off as generic at times, especially for more nuanced, emotional writing. The next thing to discuss is customer support. Jasper offers extensive customer service with a dedicated support team, a rich knowledge base, and an active community of users. If you run into issues, Jasper's support team is quick to respond. On the other hand, AI Content Generator isn't as robust in this area. While they do offer support, it's not as easily accessible, and the response times tend to be slower. So, here's the final takeaway. Both Jasper and AI Content Generator have their strengths and weaknesses. Jasper offers a more feature-rich experience with advanced marketing tools, making it great for marketers and businesses. However, if you're looking for a tool that produces higher quality long-form content with fewer edits, AI Content Generator might be the better fit. Now, while both tools are solid choices, after trying them myself, I believe there's an even better alternative out there for anyone looking to take their content writing to the next level. If you want to experience a more advanced AI writing solution, check out the first link in the description for a free trial. Through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Try it for yourself and see how it compares to Jasper and AI Content Generator. Trust me, you won't regret it.